Hi guys! So today we're going to be doing a really simple eye look today. I already have my makeup done, primers on my eyelids, and we're using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly eyeshadow palette. Here it is. Beautiful. We're going to use 3 brushes and it's going to have a 3 or 4 step process. So first, we're going to get our blending fluffy brush and we're going to dip into peanut butter. And what we're going to do with peanut butter is we're just going to blend this into our crease. It's going to be the hollow part of your eye. Blend into the crease, making sure your brush is, I didn't do a very good job with this, but making sure that your brush is pointing straight into the crease so you're really getting in the crevice. And using circular motions and blending upwards towards your brow bone. Top off any excess, just make sure you don't put too much on the second eye. You want to make sure you have the same amount on the brush every time you move over to the next eye, because you could have some issues with patchiness and it might be harder to blend. But the nice thing about makeup is that it's very forgiving. So if you do that, just keep on blending and it'll work out. It'll work out. If not, just wipe it off and try it again. So that's the first step. Second step is we're going to use our flat shadow brush. This one really packs on the pigment, and we're going to dip into, I think it's peanut butter cup. Yeah, peanut butter cup. And what I'm going to do with this guy is I'm just not going to wet the brush or anything, just getting a good amount of pigment, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner and start blending it and patting it towards the middle of my eyelid, and this is only going to go on my eyelid right now. Really focus most of the pigment in the outer corner, and then just kind of try and drag it across the lid so that it's more of a gradual fade than it just being like really heavy in the center of the lid. If you do find that you did it and it got quite heavy in the center lid, don't worry about that. We're going to fix that in, I think, the 3rd or the 4th step. You can see me here trying to blend it a little better because I felt like it was kind of a harsh line in the center of the lid. Now we're going to take our blending brush again, and we're going to take the same color of peanut butter cup, and we're just going to put that in the crease as well, just to deepen the crease a bit, because currently we only have that light peanut butter color in there. But by putting the peanut butter cup on top of it and layering it, kind of deepens the crease and creates more of a gradient effect from the brow bone down to the lash. And I cleaned off my flat angled brush, my little shadow packer, and I'm going to dip into that very nice peachy color that I cannot see the name of right now. We're going to get a good amount on our brush. See, one stroke doesn't get enough pigment on there. And we're going to pack that in the inner corner of the lid. I feel like this kind of softens the look, and it does correct any of the harsh lines that you may have made when putting the peanut butter cup on the outer corner and blending it. You could have also blended peanut butter cup with a blending brush in the center lid, just doing it in circular motions. But that's up to you. I feel that that's an extra step for me, so I just use the brush that I already used to put the color on to kind of drag it out. Now we're going to use the angled blending brush, and I really like this one because it gets in precise spots, and I like to use it to highlight areas as well. We're going to go into that same peachy color, and we're just going to highlight our brow bone. It's a nice, soft, subtle highlight. Ooh, did you guys see that sparkly dust in the air? Alright, now that completes the eyeshadow. I don't want to put eyeliner on, so we're not going to do that. We're just going to go straight to mascara because that will help outline the eyes a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but in high school I was that girl that would only wear eyeliner and mascara, like literally nothing else, and concealer. So I only focused on my eyes and put face makeup on. I didn't do any of that. It was just eyeliner, mascara, and concealer. No powder even. And I'm still not even that good at doing my mascara to this day. It's not something that I spend too much time on. I don't wear eyelashes, but I want to start. Okay, moving on to the other eye. You also notice that I didn't really do my brows. I kind of just left them more natural. Because this is, for me, I wore this to work afterwards. It was just a natural look for me that day. Okay, and I'm going to do the lower lash, but I'm not going to show you because... Oh, I guess I am showing you. I get a lot of creasing underneath my eyes. It's not something that I can fix with makeup products. It's not really something I can control. So I always end up fixing that when I start paying attention to my mascara. Okay, so here's the bottom lash line. Wow, win for Tavia. She didn't show you her mascara face. It's covered by the mirror. Now there's one thing left we need to do. My hair is wet, it's not dry. There we go. And here's the final look, guys. Just very classic, very glam, very natural, and I hope you liked it.